Hey guys, it's Paul here with Black Edge Trading. Um, this video is about the economic calendar this week, the things that are important that are coming out this week that can move the markets. Before we get started, hit that like button. Please subscribe. We're trying to get our subscribers up, and also share this video if you think it's helpful. Um, Our goal is just to educate the black community more on the stock market and how it moves so we can share in this the greatest building, the greatest wealth building tool that's out there. Um, but anyway, let's get down to what we have this week. So I've gone on tradingview.com and I've highlighted um, the economic events for this week that are of high importance. So on July 26th, we have the Fed interest rate decision at 1 o'clock Eastern Time and their press conference at 1:30 Eastern Time. Um, right now, the interest rates are sitting at 5.25%, and they have a forecast 5.5%, meaning they're going to make a decision to raise interest rates 25 basis points. This could definitely be a market mover. We've been in a uptrend. We've had somewhat of a pullback last week after Tesla's earnings. So the market really doesn't have a clear direction right now. We're about 250 to 300 points off of the all-time highs. We've been on a run since March, and now the tech sector is starting to slow down. A lot of companies in the NASDAQ 100 have hit their all-time highs and are retreating now. So that's something we want to keep an eye on. If we do get an interest rate raise, this will definitely affect the market in a negative way. If we get another pause, that could be positive for the market. If we get an interest rate drop, that could be positive for the market. So we definitely want to pay attention to this number. If we come in below this number, that's good. If we hit this number or they raise interest rates, that's going to be bad for the market. And also pay attention to the press conference. We'll get more information on where inflation is, which is a silent killer of savings. That's why you have to be a market participant, because inflation is killing your purchasing power. So let's also look at, we have durable goods, GDP growth rate. We will check that out. That would be a big important number. If GDP is slowing, that means the economy is slowing. So this is something we definitely want to look at. And right now, it's forecasted that the economy is slowing. But if we come in at this number or higher, that'll be a good sign that the economy is still growing, and could be positive for the markets. We got the core PCE price index, personal income, and personal spending. This is going to be big, because if personal income comes in at a higher number, that means people's incomes are increasing, and we want to check out the spending number. If people are spending more than they're making, that means we have a lot of credit card debt. That's something we definitely want to look at. Also, I have a list of stocks that report earnings this week that could also be some market movers. So on the 25th, we have Microsoft, Visa, Google. On the 26th, we have Meta, which is prior known as Facebook, and we have Boeing, we have Louis Vuitton, and I think that's LVMH. That's Louis Vuitton and Hennessy. That's something to look out for. On the 27th, we have Amazon, MasterCard, Samsung, Shell. I also believe we have Chevron and other gas companies reporting on the 27th. And then we have, on the 28th, we have Hermes. Actually, we have Chevron reporting on the 28th and Exxon. So definitely want to take a look at that, watch the market. I normally, on the Fed interest rate decision days, I don't trade until the decision comes out. Once the decision comes out, though, it could be very lucrative if you get on the right side. If you can read the data quickly and place a trade based on if we hit this number or if we come under this number. Definitely want to look at that. But hopefully this video was helpful, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Hopefully, you guys are tuning in later. I'm going to go over a couple individual companies like Apple, Tesla. I'm going to be going over Google, Microsoft, Meta. We're going to look at those companies and see where we are on the charts and see where institutions are buying at and where they're selling at. So tune in later. Thanks for your time. Hope you guys have a good Sunday.